There we go. There's the sunset over there. It's 4:25, sorry. And yeah, in real life, of course, it looks better, but the sun is setting already. Can you believe it? Hi, so we're on our way to the IKEA, you know, that shopping center again, and we were just in Slovenia. We bought a lot of meat from there, so enough for 2 weeks, you know, we can put it in the freezer, you know, for Reese's. So I went to the gas station again, and they have Reese's peanut butter cups, so unless I come to Slovenia, I can't find it anywhere. And the only place in Slovenia that I found it was at the gas station in Slovenia, because I checked the shops in Slovenia, they didn't have it. So I just saw it at this one place, and yeah, so I just bought 3 of them. Anyways, I really need some winter boots. It's gotten really cold here. Really cold, meaning 10 degrees. That's really cold to me. So yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry if you're from a colder environment and you're like 10 degrees. Yeah, but I don't like the cold and I'm not used to it.
In December.
In December. In December. 10 degrees in December. It's freezing. What the hell? Yeah, if it's not too boring, if it's interesting to see, I'll definitely film inside the mall and inside IKEA. I think they have different things in the IKEAs in Italy versus the IKEAs in Canada, or like the IKEAs in different countries. They have different furniture and different things, so it could be interesting. Wow! So far, no luck finding any shoes. I'm just not an Italian style kind of girl. I think I'm more, you know, different. I like Uggs, guys, and I can't find any Uggs around here. When I find shoes I like, they cost like 500 euros. Anyway, this is a prettier mall than the Città one. Place there, you can make your own waffles. Like, not really make it, but put stuff on it, add stuff, ingredients to it. This is the movie theater behind me. It's a very small food court. You get fish dishes and pasta there. Wiener House is kind of an Austrian thing. Kebabs. Piadine is piadineria stuff. Yeah, the movie theater is there. There's a cafe and there's McDonald's, and that's it. That's the food court. We went to McDonald's, and so the milkshake is so weird to me. It's icy, more watery. You know, like you can taste pieces of ice in it. It's the kind of milkshake that you would maybe make at home more versus like a thick McDonald's milkshake, which is what I'm used to, which is what I expect when I go to McDonald's. So it's really off-putting to go to McDonald's and get a milkshake that is not a milkshake. It's more like milk with pieces of ice in it and a fake strawberry flavor. Sorry. The other things are the same. I got a hamburger and french fries and they taste normal. In Italy, if you want ketchup, that's 20 cents extra, 25 cents extra if you want ketchup in Italy. So, and there's no like free refills or anything like that. They're quite, the chocolates are quite expensive, even if they're on sale. They're quite expensive, but they're on sale. Tiramisu flavor. This is really cute, but it's like freaking 50 euros.
Vad var det Martina gör då?
We're in IKEA, looking at the baby section of IKEA. So cute. So cute. The kids section of IKEA is the cutest to me. I like stationery, so I could spend a lot of time just looking at paper. But look, in the shape of clouds. You can write, it's a cloud, right? You can write notes. There are a lot of other people around here, so I feel limited in what I can do. Wrapping paper, little animals on this one. Hey Freyja, what are you doing? Oh. Not Mockingjay. Sorry, this is Hunger Games Catching Fire. I'm watching it before I can watch Mockingjay. Hey Freyja, come here. Today's actually cold. Just gonna go eat there.